Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Racnna Beauty, a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in FCT, Nigeria. And today's video is going to be hair tutorial, and it's going to be a passion twist with cornrow. Without any further ado, please stick around with me in this video and let's get started. So I already combed my hair. I'm going to play around with this Brazilian wool. It's color brown. I'm always used to black color, so I said let me try this brown color out and see how it turns out. So I'm going to play around with it because my hair is kind of tiny, and naturally I wanted to use my hair, but because it's kind of tiny, I want to give it a little volume. That's why I'm going to use this Brazilian wool. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to use this length here because I want it to be exact length of my hair, since I want it to be as natural as possible. I'm going to start off by cutting half of that part of the hair like so. The hairstyle can be called half Fulani braids with passion twist using Ghana weaving. I think that's the name I give it to it, and I think the name befitted it very well. So stick around with me in this video, and I hope you enjoy and learn a thing or two from it. So I'm going to start off the back like so by cutting it like so. And yeah, blindfoldedly I'm cutting the back because there is no mirror. I'm using that wool right there. So I want it the length of my hair. I don't want it long. The length, the exact length of my hair. That's what I want it to be. So when starting off my passion twist, I usually start with braiding the beginning like so, in order to make it firm enough, and by so doing it makes it last longer. So that's how I start my own passion twist. I usually braid it first, even though I put a mirror at my back in order to see the cuttings of the back. There is no way I'm going to see the cutting. So blindfoldedly I'm cutting the back like so. And yeah, after twisting it, I'm going to thread the end of it like so. I'm going to repeat the process, and it goes on and on and on like so. So since it's a wool that I'm using, at the end of everything I'm going to cut the tips, bone the mouth, and make it look so neat. So you can see that I braided it first, then start the twisting. And yeah, after twisting it to the end, I'm going to thread the tips so as not to lose up. Don't worry about the Bob Marley part of the hair if it does not give you a sharp and neat cuttings as you like. At least be proud of yourself. The fact that you can do hair on your head by yourself is a real deal. So it's a big thing, it's a big deal, you know. So don't worry about the cuttings, whatever shape it gives in the process of you blindfoldedly cutting like the way I'm doing. It's okay, it's a good style. People will understand. And yeah, eventually the way I'm cutting it is going to be much, and each and every of the twists will lay on the cuttings. So eventually it might not even show, but in the process I'm going to try as much as possible to get a neat line cuttings. I think that makes sense. So I give myself an accolade, a good credit for blindfoldedly cutting this hair by myself and braiding it. So in the long run, I'm not going to show all the process of twisting the hair in this video, so as not to make this video ridiculously long. So I'm going to do like half part of it on camera and the rest off camera. I hope that is understood. So stick around with me, enjoy, learn,
be encouraged, be motivated, and yeah, enjoy the video. So I'm starting the Fulani part of the hair like so. I'm ensuring I have a straight line cutting. So I'm going to pick some wool on my lap right there as I'm doing. Then I'm going to start a little cornrow before I start the Ghana weaving process. So the process goes on like that as I'm doing in this video. So I make the wool a little longer here because my front hair is kind of longer than the back one. So I make it a little longer and so that it have the same length with the back length. So you want to cut your wool in a gradual process because as time goes on, as I'm going towards the top, that's how my wool cutting becomes much longer. So you want to be cutting your wool gradually so as not to waste the wool. So I think that's a big tip there. So this video is just to encourage someone out there that is talented and have the mind of breaking all round limits. So this video is meant to encourage you that you are enough and you can do it if you put the whole of your heart to it. So be encouraged, be inspired, be motivated. So if you are new on this channel and you want to try this out, trust yourself, believe in yourself, you can do it and you will do it.